I didn't learn Spanish in my sleep and all that type of stuff. I see the searches. I see the searches online, on YouTube, on all the social media. Learn Spanish in your sleep and all this type of stuff. Let me tell you, everybody looking for the easy way out. You're going to have to do better than that if you want to learn Spanish. You're going to have to be more dedicated than that if you want to learn Spanish. If you think you can just snooze off and learn Spanish in your sleep, then good luck with that. Because I can tell you, it's going to take some work, okay? But I can also tell you that the work will be well worth it because it opens up another side of the world for you. More options, another culture, cheaper prices. I can't tell you how much money I've saved. It just opens up another side of the world for you. And that's worth its weight in gold.